Looks like we are live and ready to roll. Welcome, everybody. Today is a new day, and it is actually Tuesday, August. I believe it's August the 4th now. Yeah, Tuesday, August the 4th, 2020. And we are continuing with our lives, this new live series that I have going on. And again, I'm in YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook. Welcome, everybody. Want to get this done in under 10 minutes, as I have promised you, and I was able to do that yesterday in my live yesterday. Hopefully, you guys will be able to watch that. If not, well, go back and watch it. These lives are happening every day, Monday through Friday. This series, it's called Small Business 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Go. And then the title of the live today is What? What? If you watched yesterday, I spoke about why. You want to start a business, you already have a business, and you want to ask yourself the question, why is your first big question. If you've never asked yourself the question before, why you started the business that you started, or why you want to start a specific business. And today is what? And you might be thinking to yourself, oh, that's really basic. That is really, we like first grade. Yeah, this is Small Business 101. And I want to kind of start with the basics with you guys. Why? Because over the years, many small business owners, many entrepreneurs that I've spoken with have never asked themselves these questions before. They have never asked themselves why they started the business. And when they do have an answer, almost 9 out of 10 times, the question or the answer to the question why is because they want to make money. And like we discussed yesterday, the why, if it's only to make money, you can become empty pretty quickly, especially when you reach your financial goals. Today is what? The question we're going to talk about today is what? So once you figure out your why, you've got the passion for the why, okay, then it is what? What do you want to do? Obviously, if you thought carefully about why you want to start a business and what the passion is, and I'll give you my example. For example, my big why, and especially why I'm doing what I'm doing right now, is because I have a passion for small businesses. I have a passion to see small businesses grow and not be destroyed. I don't have a copy of my book again here today, but I have a passion to see small businesses grow instead of shut down. And the statistics are really alarming. Basically, by year 5, small businesses that open up land up 90%, land up closing down. And there's a reason for that. It's because people are not asking these very basic questions and following very simple basic rules that will keep them passionate and open to continue in their business. So the what that we're going to talk about today is very simple. Very simple. How do you figure out your what? Well, what do you want to do? Once you figure out your why, the what basically is this. It's thinking about something that you like doing, that comes easy to you, okay? It's easy for you to do, and you really enjoy it, okay? Today, I spent pretty much the whole day in a mechanic shop. Some friends of mine in Lawrence, Massachusetts. What's up? My amigos from Dominican Republic, okay? Because both my daughter and my niece had issues with their cars, and I don't like them to go up to the mechanics by themselves. So I actually took all my, work with me and was able to kind of keep up with my schedule. But at the same time, I was up there dealing with these mechanics. Now, the reason I'm mentioning these mechanics is because these guys love what they do. They're mechanics. They're not just these paid employees. They're actually all independent mechanics up in this area, and they love what they do. They're passionate about what they do. They work very hard, and I've been going to these guys up there for the past 19 years. It was actually a neighbor of mine that referred me. But again, they love what they do. They love fixing cars. That's their what. That's their solution to the passion, their why, okay, which is making sure that your car gets fixed and gets fixed once, okay? I've never had to go back there after my car's been fixed with an issue ever, okay? So that is a what. What do you want to do? What comes easy for you to do? Is it cooking? Is it, if you like styling hair? Okay, then yeah, maybe looking at the salon, whatever it is that makes it that's easy for you to do. For me, I love what I'm doing. I love teaching. I love helping people. Okay, that's my what. That's how I fulfill my why and my purpose. Okay, so think about that. What do you like to do that is going to fulfill your why? And basically that ends it today. What I would encourage you to do is get yourself a little notebook and start writing these questions down. Again, this doesn't only apply to people that have businesses or want to have businesses. This applies to your life, okay? At your job, okay? Let's say you have a job at a company and you're working as a paid employee. Sorry, very thirsty today. But if you're working at a company and you're a paid employee, you basically can apply these principles in the same way. Just because you're not the owner of the company doesn't mean that you don't have a great idea that you can innovate and make a difference in your boss's company. The only thing is you're going to want to negotiate something. If you give him an idea that's going to bring him extra money, bring in extra money to the company, you're going to want to be able to negotiate with him. I'll teach you all that as we go, further and further into what I'd like to share with you. But if you're not open-minded, like we spoke about yesterday, you don't have your why, you don't have your what, it's going to be hard. So even if you're an employee, I encourage you, write these things down and keep watching these lives. I'm going to be doing these for as long as I can. Okay. And hopefully I am impacting people's lives, and a few people that have responded to me and kind of shared their thoughts with me are enjoying what I'm doing here. So again, I'm not charging for this. I really just want to overflow and make sure that 2020 is not a year that you give up, a year that you lose your passion, a year that you lose your drive, a year that you lose your hope, a year that, when you look back, you regret. Okay. I want 2020 to be a year that you look back and say, wow, I had an open mindset. I saw a big problem. I saw a big crisis. Everybody was being affected, but I didn't go down the path of facing the problem. I looked at the opportunities to either solve problems. So if you're a problem solver, you're gonna have success. Okay. If you're a problem avoider, then chances are COVID is gonna kind of be an issue for you, because you can't avoid it. You have to figure out how to solve it. Okay. And in solving problems, that's how you become innovative. That's how you find out, maybe even new innovation, possibly in your industry. So that is it, folks. 8 minutes right now, under the 10 minutes. I want to continue to share my book, The Small Business Destruction Guide. Do not have a copy with me right now because it's somewhere in my office, and I've given a bunch of copies away to friends and family. But if you want to get that, it's on Amazon, and basically just put in my name, Ozzie Simoes, and the two books will pop up. One is from a different business that I have, and the other one is for the Small Business Destruction Guide, is for my small business. All right, so get that on Amazon, either on Kindle or on print version. And then don't forget, please subscribe to my channel, to the YouTube channel, Ozzie Simoes, or Instagram, whatever, platform you like to watch this. And again, I'm going to keep saying very, very soon, I'm going to hop out of my personal Facebook page and hop just into the Go, It's Yours for the Taking. Many, many people that I sent out invitations to have responded and accepted the invitation. So I think very soon, maybe by next week, I will just be doing the lives directly on the Go, It's Yours for the Taking webpage. All right. So not webpage, but Facebook page. So here we are, folks. Another day. Go and enjoy your family, enjoy your dinner, enjoy whatever you're going to be doing. And if you know anybody that is better served in Spanish or Portuguese, Spanish is going to come up in 10 minutes at 6:20, and Portuguese in 40 minutes at 6:40. And actually in 20:40. Actually 30 minutes. Anyway, folks, Good to be with you again. Share this with friends and family, somebody that wants to either change their life, change their business, grow their business, or start a business. I hope you'd share this with them, and then get the word out. I'm doing this because I'm passionate about it, and I'm going to help you. That's for sure. Have a good night, folks. I will see you tomorrow. And tomorrow, by the way, same time, same place. I'm going to be asking another question. So stay posted. It's a it's one-on-one. It's small business one-on-one. Very simple questions, but it's going to open up your mind. See you tomorrow, everybody. Adios.